this is Pam, and we're getting crafty again today in honor of holidays and celebrations. Now, for those of you that follow my channel, you know that yesterday I uploaded a video about autumn being pine cone picking season. And in honor of that, I wanted to do a follow-up video today where we talk about back to nature wreaths. Now, we know that fall season is here, and we know that means that crafters are making the back to nature wreaths for craft shows, but us home crafters are also making them in honor of Thanksgiving to decorate our house. So I want to do this inspirational video for you guys and let you see one of my designs of my wreaths for my home, and let you see how I make a back to nature wreath. And here's one right here, made unique by me. Now guys, I went out in the woods just like my video talked about yesterday, and I picked out pine cones of all different sizes. And I made sure I didn't come out of the woods until I had an armload full of sticks and nuts and pine cones and all kind of things that would be perfect for decorating my wreath. So I'm going to dive into this little wreath right here, and we'll talk about how I did it, and maybe you can get some inspiration from it, okay? Now, this wreath right here, you can see the garland on each side of the door. This is before I finish designing the garland and getting it ready, but I usually always make garland to match my wreath and put the same color ribbon and all that good stuff on it, okay? So, now, let's look at this wreath, this back to nature wreath, and I'm going to break it down for you little by little, okay? Now, I'm going to do some close-ups for you. Guys, do you see these two little things right here on each side of that pine cone? Well, this is actually pine cones too, and we can thank those cute little squirrels in the woods for this, because these are pine cones that they have actually ate and dropped it out of the trees. So you're going to find these clustered all around the base of trees if you look real good. And guys, they make a lot of dimension to a wreath. If you'll get those and add those in the wreath as well, you won't be sorry for it. Now, see these right here? This is actually monkey puzzle pine cones. And you can see them in my wreath here. They're a different color brown, but they add to a pine cone as well. And see these two round things? These are actually the shells of nuts that you can glue on your wreath upright or the other way on. Now, this right here are my candles that I made to match my wreath for the inside of the home. And I made sure I used the very same ribbon on them, and also these wall hangings that could be used for either picture frames or just beautiful wall hangings. Now, I did it with Thanksgiving in mind, where I wanted to use Thanksgiving words like family, joy, love. So that's what I did. I made a row of them in honor of Thanksgiving. But you can see how shiny they are. I like everything real shiny, so I sealed everything really good. And you can use polyurethane, shellac, any kind of beautiful shiny sealer, and it will be beautiful. Well, I made sure I had match bows for every single one of them, and I finished my project. So there we go, guys. We are getting crafty for the holidays. And guys, thanks so much for watching the video. And if you like holiday crafts or anything holiday related, make sure you subscribe.